Hi, my name is Damon Duncan, and I'm a North Carolina bankruptcy attorney. Co-signing a debt. Almost never does anything good come out of co-signing a debt. It is one of my points that I can get on a soapbox and talk days and days probably about, but I certainly won't do that for the purposes of this video. But instead, I'll try to keep it as brief as possible. When you co-sign on a debt, even if it's for a family member, and even if that family member has the best of intentions, life happens sometimes and they may not be able to pay that debt back. If that's the case, you will still be fully responsible for the total amount of that debt. Not half of it, not a portion of it, but all of it. If they can't afford to pay back the creditor, then the creditor will come to you. They can sue you, they can get judgments, they can get liens, they can do everything they otherwise would be able to do to the person that was the principal on the debt as well. So I always encourage folks, if you're co-signing on a debt, it's almost never a good idea. If the reason that they're not allowing that person to sign by themselves for the debt is because they don't think that they can make the payment by themselves. And so they want a co-signer. And so if you're a co-signer, then you need to know this finance company who sees probably thousands of these doesn't think this person will be able to make the payments on their own. So you should have strong doubts as well. And again, from an unbiased, objective standpoint, I encourage you strongly to consider not co-signing for that debt, because otherwise you could fully be responsible for the full amount of the debt. Now, bankruptcy, if you did decide to go that route, even if you co-signed for a debt, would discharge that debt, would wipe the debt out. If you file a bankruptcy and you have somebody who has co-signed on a debt, then that person would still be fully responsible for the debt as well. But if you are a co-signer who's looking to file bankruptcy, that will fully take care of any co-signed debt that you had as well. But again, short version, don't co-sign on a debt unless it's absolutely necessary and you've got no other choice and you are absolutely certain that the person's going to pay the debt back, then maybe I'd consider it. But otherwise, don't co-sign on a debt.